Hey, the Disney Skyliner is back open. What could possibly go wrong? This past Friday, Gina and I decided we'd pick up the parts of the Skyliner that we hadn't been on yet and headed over to Pop Century Resort.
There's a breeze.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway.
It's very glary.
Yeah.
We are now gliding over Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Really not very high above the water here, right? So I guess that barge will work. Okay, now this is where I just said they're pretty low, but we're actually going up here. This would have been so much better without a wrap on it. Oh, good.
Well, we can't jump out. We're past the border.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Disney Skyliner has been temporarily delayed. Please remain seated. We will resume your flight as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience.
Kind of blowing in the breeze here. And remember, this is after the incident, when everything should be working smoothly. And yes, I'm glad we don't have the glass floors. All right, break out the pencil and the paper. Give me a glow stick.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Disney Skyliner has been temporarily delayed. Please remain seated. We will resume your flight as soon as possible.
Should have timed
Thank you
this.
for your patience.
I'm still videoing.
Okay. We'll be able to figure it out for now.
Here, you want a video over there?
Nah.
Here.
Ain't nothing to see here.
Yeah, there is.
Just get my phone out and get some more pictures. If I put it right up against the glass, it eliminates the little things. I'm getting a great video of not moving.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Disney Skyliner has been temporarily delayed. Please remain seated. We will resume your flight as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience.
Should have taken my own advice and peed before I got on board.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nick from the Disney Skyliner operations. The Disney Skyliner has been temporarily delayed. We will resume your journey as soon as possible. Thank you.
Instagram time.
No. Don't.
Oh yeah.
I sent a family message.
Gene, we're on the Skyliner. You know, it'd be really good if I knew how Instagram worked.
You gotta give it a good 10 minutes before you Instagram. Yeah. The biggest problem is going to be getting back here.
Yeah.
Boy. Is this a brand new battery?
Yep.
Okay. Want me to stop it for a while?
Ladies and gentlemen, the Disney Skyliner has been temporarily delayed. Please remain seated. We will resume your flight as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience.
What else are we going to have?
Still video?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because I don't.
I got the phone, I've got the camera sitting on the bench looking out the window.
I ain't holding the feces bag for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Disney Skyliner has been temporarily delayed. Please remain seated. We will resume your flight as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience.
Am I temporary? What do they mean by temporary?
Maybe they put more than one bottle of water in the thing.
Oh, the lights are coming on.
What's that mean?
It's getting dark.
Oh.
Okay, so we Instagrammed for the first time in a while. Guess I should tweet.
You shouldn't.
It's like I pull my Twitter up, and the first thing they have is this video of these guys getting rescued from the Skyliner.
Well, on the other hand, we're good. I can lay down and take a nap. And the breeze is coming through pretty good. So
Yeah, it is.
pretty soon I'll be freezing and you didn't bring your
Oh,
coat.
no, didn't bring my coat.
Uh-oh.
What?
Disney security's coming this way.
And? I didn't do that.
No. Does that mean there's a real issue?
Certainly hope not.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience. We are now resuming your journey. I will take flight momentarily. Thank you.
Well, that wasn't long at all.
just a few moments, we will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All passengers must disembark or transfer at this station. We hope you enjoyed your journey, and thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner.
Still want to try the Epcot line?
Sure, let's swim on the wild side.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your steps. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuídense.
Sure, we were only delayed by 8 minutes and 23 seconds, but you know right where I headed when we got there. Yep.
We will resume your journey as soon as possible. Thank you.
Emmy seems particularly concerned about a single comment. Could it be yours? I don't know. Put your likes and comments down below. And you know, if you did like this video, why don't you go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And remember, a thumbs up is also the international sign that everything's okay on the Skyliner. And today only, have I got a free deal for you. You can go ahead and subscribe to this channel for absolutely no money down, no money a month. It's free. All you have to do is click on the red subscribe button below. And remember, when you do click on the red subscribe button, there's no assuring that you're going to see a notification in your inbox. So go ahead and click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.